West Coastal Highway.
So this is the road out between Exmouth and Karratha. We're just splashing some fuel in it before we go out to the beach. And fair to say it's chaos. Turning off to our next camp for a week, which Gnoorea Point or something, I think, and great opportunity to water up here at the gasworks. No car washing, and there's a donation box. Make sure you put some coin in there, your rat bags. All the money goes to the Royal Flying Doctor Service. What happens if you don't come back when there's enough tide and end up driving your boat in the bay. So this is us at Camp Gnoorea Point, Naruya. Gnoorea, thank you. Peg 35 we're on. Got the fire going over here. Got the freeloaders over there. And you know when life's really good? When the crayfish is on the barbecue. Thanks for the guys next door. Fair way from the camp to try and get out of the wind and find somewhere to have a fish, and ended up here in the top corner of the bay. So I might put a bit of gear together and go for a stroll along the beach and see what we can find. This is what you call batshit crazy. Mark and Kathy's acquisition on the road. 2 blue heeler pups. They're bloody cute. But they're crazy. So we're finally on the water at Gnoorea Point. And a magnificent morning it is. Let's just hope the fish turn it on as well. There's bait taken care of in the first cast. That's pretty crazy, and he's a big one. He is a big one, a massive calamari. Oof. I didn't bring my net. I've just realised I've left my net behind. Oh shit. Alright, this is going to be fun. Got a gutful of water. Have to get him behind the head somehow. You bastard. We'll come back. We'll come back. It's a mess. This bay is full of these things. Disgusting grinners. Bait stealing shit fish. Bait on the sounder. I'm getting closer, but not too size. Good effort to hook him, I'd say. A little tricky. Oh, fucking. And a blue bone, my first one. Unbelievable. Taking me all morning to find the fish, and now I need to be buggering off back in. So, last drop, as they say in the classics. And like I said, when you find them, you find them. Oh, he's coming home. That's dinner. There we go. That is one more. Gone off and they're in a tight spot. There you go. Oh, that's a good reason to go home. Nicked into Karratha to do a couple of jobs, one of which was having a dodgy front left tyre looked at, and the guys here at Karratha Bridgestone, they have totally looked after us. So if you're up in the Pilbara and you've got tyre and suspension probably issues and stuff like that, come and see the guys here. They're outstanding. Well, the wind's still blowing, and we've tried to come to the other corner of the bay to get out of the wind, and surprise, surprise, can't do it. Still going. So the last night with our guests, we were over there by the campfire, and they've got something special for dinner tonight. Yep, Western Australian mud crab. So that's it, Gnoorea Point. It's done us. The wind has beaten us. We've got out once in 7 days, but it is a good spot. I'm sure if you got here and the weather was prevailing, you would catch a ton of fish. Anyway, northwards we go.